Hello there, Rob here from Robert Leat Fitness. I'm a personal trainer and an online coach, specialising in helping you to lose weight sustainably and keep it off without any fad diets or extreme restrictions. So, speaking of extreme restrictions and fad diets, today I wanted to take a look at this stuff, Huel. It's something that I've been asked about a few times, and I was also in Sainsbury's recently and I noticed that this was on offer, so I thought I would give it a little bit of a try and just give you my honest thoughts on what I thought of the product, and especially as it's something that I've been asked about by a few different people on social media and by a few of my clients. So I thought I'd give my honest opinion so that I could, give an honest feedback when people do ask me, is it worthwhile? So just looking at the label, it's essentially nutritionally complete food, which means you get a meal in this one bottle. So basically it's a meal replacement shake, so the theory being that if you're a little bit short on time, that you would drink one of these instead of having a meal. On their website they're basically saying that they want to make nutritionally complete, convenient, affordable food with minimum impact on animals and the environment. So it is a plant-based one, which I'm not vegan or anything like that, and I'm personally not a huge fan of plant-based protein sources because they tend not to be complete protein sources, although they seem to claim that they are a complete meal. Essentially, apparently the product has been formulated by renowned nutritionist James Collier, BSc Honours, who I don't believe I've heard of before. It's all about being affordable. Supposedly Huel costs £1.22 for a 400 calorie nutritionally complete meal. We also offer bulk subscription discounts, meaning that the cost starts at £1.10 per meal. This particular one that I bought from Sainsbury's, I think because it's pre-packaged rather than the product that you buy directly from them in like a subscription, cost me £3 for 500 millilitres. But I would assume that if you buy it in bulk from them, that you'd get it at a cheaper price. The other thing that they say they're passionate about is zero food waste, obviously, because you're just drinking a shake rather than creating a big meal that you might potentially waste. Although a plastic bowl, which is apparently reusable and can be recycled. So basically they're saying that they're an ethical company, they're about being environmentally friendly and providing you with good, complete nutrition. So looking on the back, in terms of the macros, it's 400 calories per 500 millilitres. Of which 18 grams is fat, and from saturated that is 3.9 grams. Into the carbs it's 33.9, protein is 20 grams, and then fibre is 5.7. So 20 grams is probably a decent amount of protein, I'd say, for a meal. I went for the vanilla flavour as well because I thought that I'd go for something relatively plain, just to be on the safe side rather than going for something chocolatey and it tasting disgusting. So here we go. Doesn't look particularly appetising, I must admit. I'm not really a fan of that, if I'm honest. It tastes really powdery and chalky and tastes like fake vanilla. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Blech. And I would probably give that a 3 out of 10 in terms of taste. It is disgusting. I personally don't think I would be getting this again, in all honesty. So yeah, I mean, I can see what they're trying to do. They're trying to make it convenient for people. However, they need to do a bit of work on making it taste a bit nicer. Personally, my opinion on meal replacement shakes has always been that you're much better off trying to get what you need from good, nutritious food rather than trying to supplement with shakes. I think that there is much cheaper, much better products out there that you can get. I would say like you could probably make your own meal replacement shake with a bit of whey protein and some fruit and some milk. I would say that there's probably much better ways that you could do this. But me personally, I'm not a fan of Huel. I don't think I'll be getting Huel anytime soon. It could be that I've just tried the wrong flavour, but yeah, I don't particularly like this and I don't think it's very nice. So yeah, my personal opinion would probably be to not go for this and look for maybe a cheaper product, such as a MyProtein product, or which is a company that I've used before. I'd also maybe look at potentially making your own meal replacement shake if you are someone that struggles with time for making healthy meals. So yeah, Personally, I am not a fan. Hopefully you found that helpful, and I will be back soon again with another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments and all that jazz that helps the YouTube algorithm.